I won't ask you to give me any in-depth detail, Daniel, John, but that bed's rather ruined.
No, that's what that is.
It's what?
And you know what? You can show as well.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Are you going to go too? Don't worry, I can rule without you. Off you go. Run along.
She's a liar. I'm sorry if I'm swearing. She's a liar.
I don't want to know her anymore. I don't want anything to do with her.
She upset all of us on that holiday. I tried to tell her, I said to her, go and speak to that person. We don't want the animosity on this holiday. And what happens? She's called me a liar. It didn't happen. We had to pay her debt.
So you want, effectively, a court order to be made against him to teach him a lesson?
Yes. That he can't get away with treating his children as if they're nothing. Or just because they don't act the way he thinks they should.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Is it? Let me tell you, every time you was on your I picked you up.
Oh, I'm so glad you did that. Goodbye. He's out. Just going to compose myself for a second.
You're a useless, pathetic human being. It's not about me or you. She deserves better than you. I died for my child.
Yes, I know.
I nearly lost her. And all you can think about is your self, or not a chance, Danny. Got it? Why would he do that to his own daughter? She's meant to be his flesh and blood, and he just stands there with no remorse. I hate him. I absolutely hate him. Trust fund? Are you for real? What trust fund? Up in the sky? Come on then, what trust fund? You got found out to be a liar.
I could be the best father in the world to her. I can provide everything for her. But the gobby there won't let me.
I just want to go home.
Do you think I'm needing your help here? Just imagine, in legal terms, you've sent the friends in. Understand?
He only thinks he can send his friends in. He just thinks he's some little Italian person. He thinks he's like the big gangster, which he's not. He's a little weasel. Look, it looks like a penguin, that nose, sitting there like that. He ain't getting his money. I don't care, I ain't paying him. I refuse to, I won't do it.
Did you just swear in my court?
Obviously, yeah.
Do you want to apologise for swearing?
I apologise.
Do you think I find that acceptable?
No, I don't find it acceptable, but I can only take so much of being belittled, and I'm sorry, I ain't having it.
Kim and Gary are in court to claim £440, 56 pence for a month's unpaid rent and utility bills from their former friend. Defendant Vicky says she only stayed at the property for a few days, and as there was never a discussion about her contribution, she owes nothing.
You owe us this rent, Vicky.
Yeah, what the ever?
Sticky, you owe us this rent.
Vicky,
we're not leaving here until we get
Vicky.
this rent.
You ain't getting
Vicky.
Yeah.
Sticky Vicky.
Yes, you are, Sticky Vicky.
You owe us
you
this.
are owing
You come
it to
on to
us
me.
today.
Don't make me fall asleep.
You come on to me.
Yeah, I'd rather come on to a Rottweiler.
You come on to me.
You came on to
you
him.
did.
Yeah, language. Be quiet. Quiet.
Sorry, Judge.
Sorry, Judge.
Quiet.
Sorry.
I thought me giving her the £100 and still remaining in contact with her, not changing my number or nothing like that, still chatting to her, that she would trust me. Obviously, she hadn't, but I was going to give her her money, so...
Finished?
No, I ain't finished.
Well, I have finished you.
Well, I ain't finished.
Be quiet. How dare you?
Dare me do what?
You told me that poor wiring could kill somebody.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did, in the course of your evidence.
You asked me
and
if that cable was live.
And yet, you did only some of the job that you promised, leaving her in a situation, and her family, by the way, where it could have caused real danger to them.
No, it wasn't, because the ZS readings...
That's a disgrace.
The ZS readings were in parameters.
You're still talking?
Yeah,
You're interrupting me?
Yeah.
You're interrupting me?
ZS
Goodbye. Out you go.
Oh, you're anyway, mate.
Oh. Ay, ay, ay.
You discovered that a door person had asked to speak to Heather.
Yeah.
That must have concerned you. So you walked out and you saw Heather, and what did you say or do?
Well, I said what's going on, because I saw her talking to the doorman, and she said that the guy had said that the lady said she'd invaded their space.
Mm-hmm.
And I heard him saying she's sorry.
Sorry?
And he said, that's fine. She said, I'll sit down and I won't dance around or anything. You know, we'll sit down and we're sorry.
Excellent. So he went back into the concert then?
Well, he was just about to let us back in.
Yes, and then tell me the truth about what happened next, Marina.
Well, Heather says to me, I think it's some who's done that.
Loudly?
And he heard her say that to me. So
but it was a figure of speech to Marina. He shouldn't have been listening. Wasn't said to him.
Well...
If Marina hadn't to come out, I would have gone back in and sat down and said it next to her, so he wouldn't have heard it.
If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.